Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to send a message to a group on Instagram using your PC, especially with the latest update. Whether you're coordinating plans with friends or sharing updates with family, these steps will help you stay connected seamlessly. First, open Instagram on your computer. If you haven't already, log into your account using your credentials. The desktop version of Instagram has become increasingly user-friendly, making it easier to manage your messages. Once you're logged in, look for the Messages icon located in the left menu. It resembles a paper airplane and is typically found near the bottom of the sidebar. Click on this icon to access your direct messages. Now that you're in the Messages section, find and open the group chat you want to message. This is where all your group conversations are stored. Simply scroll through your chats until you locate the desired group and click on it to open the conversation. With the group chat open, you'll see a text box at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can type your message. Go ahead and write your message in this box. Whether it's a quick hello or an important update, make sure your message conveys what you want to share with the group. Finally, once you've crafted your message, look for the send button next to the text box. Click it. And just like that, your message will be sent to everyone in the group chat. Remember, this new update makes it even easier to communicate with multiple friends at once from your PC. So next time you're at your computer and need to reach out to a group on Instagram, just follow these simple steps. Open Instagram, click on the Messages icon, select your group, write your message, and hit send. Thanks for tuning in. Now you can effortlessly connect with your friends and family on Instagram right from your PC. Happy messaging!